Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So today I got another review. It's called the G913 keyboard. So this is a mechanical wireless keyboard, and this is actually one of the highest range in Malaysia. So the starting price, original price is 1,000 ringgit or 999, but you can buy it from Shopee around 800 plus. So let's get straight into unboxing this G913 mechanical keyboard. Alright, so it comes with quite a cool packaging in front first. It says Logitech with a big G here, so I guess it's gaming. Okay, so here is my first impression of the keyboard. It feels really premium because this is actually aluminum, so it's not plastic, and it has a bit of weight to it, so it's not actually plastic, so it feels very expensive and not cheap with the plastic. And as I said, this is a aluminium with magnesium on it. We also get a manual that comes with it. Then we have this. I think this is to connect it to your computer, and if you don't want to use it as a Bluetooth, you can also connect it via Type-C, so you don't need to actually run on battery. You can actually use it while charging, and it will take about 3 hours to charge, and you can game using it for 30 hours without RGB lights, and with RGB lights it will be much lesser. So let's turn it on for the first time now. Okay, so now let's remove the plastic at the back and let's see the material that they used. Okay, so we can lift up the keyboard by 8 degrees and 4 degrees, and we have the Type-C at the back here to plug it in, and to turn it on, let's see the lights. There we go. So this is how the keyboard will look like. It's actually pretty cool. Like, I use my Razer one. I would say the lights are quite good, but this one is just not too bright. Like, it's just nice, and it only highlights the numbers and the keys, whereas my Razer one highlights the whole border, so that's a different thing. And also I love the aluminium brush because it feels so much more expensive. But yeah, the price is 1,000 ringgit original. First impressions, I love the aluminium brush. This roller, can you see this roller thing? This is also very good. I think you can customize for your volume and other stuff. And this is a brown mechanical keyboard, so it's a tactile feel. It's not the red or blue switches. And let's hook it up to the laptop and see what does the app actually give you. Okay, so when we start and open up the app, it looks very sleek and basic, right? This black background, and then we have our keyboard right in the middle here. So it's not like the Razer, which is a bit messy. I'm quite impressed with what Logitech has done. So when we open it, I like how the thing was very smooth. Like, you see, it was in the middle here and it goes to the side, and then I can notice that this has more functions, like especially the animations. You can also see the keyboard works here as well. So like Ocean Wave, this is a pretty cool feature I saw. So this is something that Razer does not have, which I'm a bit disappointed. And then here we can like set it all by ourselves, and then here are the presets one. And as again I said, its border does not have the color, which is very cool. And then for assignments, is at the side of our keyboard here we can add some special buttons just like the Razer one, but this is a specially one because like the Razer only had at the top, but here it has at the side. So we can do many things, and it's exactly the same as the Razer. And then when we come to game mode, it's also very similar. We just need to click this button, and then it does some features for you. And when we go into settings, it can tell you your battery level, everything, and when your battery is low, what does it want to do. and then when you're not using the keyboard, what you want to do and all that. So I feel Logitech have done a simpler and more sleek kind of UI, I would say. So well done, Logitech. I hope Razer will also improve in that. So yeah, that's all from how this keyboard will look like. So I said the animations is something, an add-on that Razer does not have, which is very good looking on this keyboard. Okay, so when we want to use the keyboard, we will just need, if you want to use the light speed especially, you will need to use the adapter that comes with it. So this is like a medium that you have to pass through to get light speed. But if you don't want, you just want a simple one, not for gaming, you can just use the small USB that comes with it, and it works like a normal one. But if you want the light speed for 1 ms, then you have to connect this together so that you can use the light speed together with it. Okay, so yeah, that's it.